Hello and welcome. In this video we'll be showing you how to add an Android or iOS device to your network as a gateway. By setting up a gateway, you'll be able to control your network from anywhere in the world. Casambi networks do not require a gateway, but you can add one to give you control when out of Bluetooth range. Let's get started. Select More in the bottom right corner of your screen. Please note that to add a gateway to your network, the network must have sharing enabled. Refer to our video titled, Setting Up a Network, for guidance on this subject. Now select Gateways from the list. To learn about the requirements of a gateway, select More information. Tap on Internet Gateway, and then select this device. The device has now been added to the network as a gateway. Turn on Notify on Disconnect, to be alerted via email, when your gateway has been disconnected from the network for a longer than normal amount of time. We recommend leaving the data collection options unselected, to avoid excessive data usage. To remove the gateway from your network, tap on the bin in the top right. Thanks for watching. We hope that this video was helpful, and we look forward to creating more videos like this.